Hi and welcome, Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps Nordic Background Cling Red Rubber Stamp. While I'm stamping this out, I want to mention I trimmed the ends of this down so I could use it in the original sized Misty. If you're not comfortable trimming your stamps down, I recommend using an acrylic block. You can find one on the Whimsy Stamps website to fit larger stamps. Now the stamp design measures 3 3/8 of an inch wide by 8 3/8 of an inch long. I do have a few samples to share with you, but first I want you to see how pretty this Nordic design is when heat embossed on red cardstock with gold embossing powder. And after dusting it with perfect pearls, perfect gold powder, the sheen on that is absolutely gorgeous. Now in my first sample, I stamped the background in red and green to die cut with the new Decorate a Tree die set and added that to a stamped background using the new Merry Christmas Assorted Sentiment stamp set. My second sample is stamped in blue ink to show off the elegant ornament decorated with a few elements from the Forest Majesty die set. And for my last sample, I did some masking to create the multicolor Nordic background and the stamped sentiment and die cut pieces from the Christmas branches die set to finish that card off. Let me know what you think of the new Nordic background stamp in the comments below. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to see you on Instagram and Pinterest where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.